Welcome to our video about gardens. A garden is a beautiful and peaceful space that can bring joy and relaxing to anyone who spends time in it. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, a garden is a great way to connect with nature and create a haven for yourself. In this video, we will explore the benefits of having a garden and provide some tips on how to create and maintain one. Having a garden has many benefits for your physical and mental health. Gardening is a great way to get some exercise, improve your flexibility and strength, and reduce stress. It can also help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. In addition, spending time in nature has been shown to have a positive impact on mental health, reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Creating a garden can be a fun and rewarding experience. Start by considering the size and shape of your outdoor space and what you want to achieve. You can choose to grow vegetables, herbs, or flowers, or a combination of all three. Think about the amount of sunlight and water your plants will need and select plants that are suitable for your climate. Maintaining garden takes effort, but it's well worth it. Make sure to water your plants regularly and fertilize them as needed. Keep an eye out for pests and disease and take action if necessary. Pruning and deep heating your plants will also help promote growth and keep your garden looking neat and tidy. A garden is a beautiful and rewarding addition to any home. It provides immediate benefits for your physical and mental health, and it's a great way to connect with nature. With a little effort and care, anyone can create and maintain a garden that will bring joy and space for years to come. Thank you for watching.